Hey guys, so we bought more accessories for our 360. This should be a stick for it. So yeah, the Insta360 stick. So here it is. Get it out of the packaging. And so here we have it. It's pretty small, almost the size of my hand. There we go. It's very tight, so it extends out so you can have it just same threading. So now you can have vlogging style, and then if you need to really be out there, you can be out there holding it. It's a little flimsy. I don't know if I trust it in a windy scenario, but you can have different sizes. You need it halfway. And then this, I feel like, is how I would use it most. This is nice and sturdy. And since it's a 360 camera, stabilization isn't really a worry. And also, good thing about this is it also has threading on the bottom. So if you have a tripod, now you have a longer thing. You lift it up. 360. If you're doing shots that need to be elevated, you have this. With the lens cap. So, as you know, these lenses are glass, so they can scratch. So let me just open this up. So with this, it's really good. So when you go to store this, it just goes over like that, and now you can lay it on stuff and it won't scratch the lenses. So it's really good for protecting this. And that's about all the accessories we got for the Insta360. So now we have a handle. This is from the Steady Pro, so I mean, it works with other things. So, and then this is for the cap for the 360. So we have pretty much everything you need. So that's all of the accessories. If you want to go check out our video that we did on the Insta360 itself, we unboxed it and we did a couple shots on it. It's probably in the link in the description down below. So you take a look at that. We kind of do a little small review on the Insta One X2. We're still playing around with it, still trying to get captures where it's good on the bike. For example, is it better on the mirrors? Is it better down by the pegs in the back? We haven't really played around too much with it yet. It's still cold. So there should be a new video coming out. I took it out today and I took a couple shots, so look out for that. But other than that, go ahead and check out the other videos. Like I said, if you want to check out our mini review on the 360, the link's in the description below. So we gotta take this. We also bought a mount for it on the bike. It's really sturdy. I can move the whole bike. And so what we do is we just screw it in here. Make sure it's tight. Take this off. And this isn't going anywhere. This will fly off before this does. So Okay guys, now we're gonna go take it out for a test run, tell you our pros and cons about it, what we like, what we dislike, and see how this thing handles on our Ninja. See you on the flip side of this camera. So for now, thank you for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, put that notification bell on, and if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. Thank you.